improve, 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 enhance, 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 modify, 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 amend, 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 refine, 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 improve. For example, I recommend we revise the workflow to improve efficiency and reduce errors. Enhance. For example, enhancing the software's user interface will make it more accessible to new users. Modify. For example, we must modify the policy to comply with the new regulations. Amend. For example, the contract was amended to reflect the new terms agreed upon by both parties. Refine. For example, feedback from our clients has been instrumental in helping us refine our product offerings.